6 months and not moving. Okay, this is for anonymous, so sorry I can't say hi, but hi. All right, I think that there's a brachial plexus injury somewhere in the upper shoulder going on in the right. You need to rock and roll. This is not having head control, and 6 months, I mean, it's 6 months, I should have independent sitting and grabbing feet, rolling over, and there's just too much. We've missed way too much. So what you need to do first is you're going to do my newborn movement assessment. That's a free course. It's in the baby page. And then second, I need to get that spine activated. So I hate to say bypass the tummy time course because I just don't think there's a good foundation there, because if you did, you would have head control. You don't. But at the same time too, I want to almost say do a little bit of the rolling over course and then back into tummy time. All these courses are sort of bundled into the baby support program, which the first 14 days are free, and then it's like 20 a month, but you get all the programs. And I would do that because, like, again, I want aggressive. You're going to go to physical therapy. They're going to try and sit this baby up unsupported and try and like take their hands away and go, ooh, we got a second. No. All milestones happen from weight transfer, transitional movements, and you have to have rotation. If you don't have that, first of all, you don't have optimal development. And second of all, you're going to have developmental delays. So you already have developmental delays going into global delays. We need to reverse that out. They're going to tell you it's low tone. That's not the case. I really think it's a brachial injury. Now, some physios can work with that and work with that, you know. A lot of people believe that's a muscle stretching, whatever. That's not how I do it. Again, weight transfer, transitional movements, and rotation. But that's what's going on. This is why you're getting this movement. So it's not that he doesn't want to reach, not interested, can't. Babies don't do anything that's difficult or that hurts them. And so we're in that range. And so you just got a stuck baby, you know what I mean? And you shouldn't see the arms going away from that. And I don't want this injury to continue. If you have questions with that, you'll see what I'm talking about with the newborn movement assessment. I expect 2 hours a day. If this is a problem, or you still don't know what to do, or you're looking for a 1 a week appointment to take care of this, this is not the case. This is a solution to your problem, you know what I mean, for optimal development. But right now, we're on that teeter line of I wouldn't say losing the battle, because that's not what I'm trying to say here, because anyone improves. I mean, at our age, even we can improve in movement. That's not, you know, and I know there's severities and there's good. Anyone can improve. The whole reason I did all this, because, you know, I didn't think my son would do anything, but like today, can he do something he didn't do yesterday? I'm not saying it's that grim and dim. However, you got 6 months going and for that, out of the swing now. If you're making dinner and you need to protect your child, but he's not rolling around, sorry, or she, I'm not sure. It's son, he's not rolling around. The swing stops. Other than, like I said, if you need a time where you have to protect them, like while you're cooking or in the shower, no. Because see, this problem is with the swings, they cradle the spine. So we already have a spine injury, I think, going on, and now you're doing, I can't do anything in a swing. Put yourself in a hammock. You can't reach for something. You're either going to flip out of the thing or you just can't do it because you lose your balance. It's unnatural movements, and no baby should be in a swing, but that's what's going on. Thank you.